So I'm here at TreasureFest. So this festival is located at Treasure Island near San Francisco. So it's pretty fun to actually, check around this local community and how they come together and help the local farmers, the local food shop, local vendors and everything. So let's hear from Charlie, who is one of the founder of TreasureFest.
TreasureFest is a shopping, eating, and entertainment market. We are a unique Bay Area festival that features the best of the Bay. TreasureFest has evolved over the 8 years of existence. You go to TreasureFest, you're not buying a widget, you're not just buying a product, you're buying the person, you're buying the story that is behind it. It's almost magical, right? It doesn't exist today. And you'll see, families, people on dates, everyone having a good time. Really the mission and the reason why we exist is we want to restore community and create community through local commerce. If you ask me, I think that that's what's missing today. I think you used to be able to go to the local market, even if that was a small downtown district, or maybe it was literally just like a market you would go to that popped up on the weekends. You would get to know the butcher. You would get to know the shoemaker, the leather maker. These small sort of, makers, collectors, they don't exist anymore. They can't compete, and if they do, they're online. You never get to meet them. And what we try to do here is we try to bring that sense of community back to the Bay Area. And that's really what gives me purpose. That's what makes me want to wake up in the morning and work on this, do this, and organize the vendors, and bring the people out here and tell them how wonderful an experience it is. Because when I come out here and I see it happening, I see people meeting the person who made something, the person who's starting a business, the person who's been collecting something for several decades, and they're happy to share their knowledge and their expertise in this one thing that they collect. But they're getting to know people and they're getting to connect, and that's really what this is all about.
Location of TreasureFest cannot be more perfect. You are right on the beach and you can see both Bay Bridge and Golden Gate Bridge on either side of the bay. On a good day, you can also see iconic San Francisco skyline. There is a live music playing nearby. We are going to check it out. I was there on Sunday and it was absolutely refreshing way to end my weekend. TreasureFest takes place on last weekend of each month, so if you are in San Francisco Bay Area, you should definitely check it out.